Today we see Venus conjunct Saturn in the sign of Pisces. Venus is the planet of unconditional love and values. It represents all forms of relationships, our romantic side, our romantic relationships, our friendships, our associations, and our relationship with ourself. It is the energy of unconditional love and acceptance, empathy, and compassion. It's our understanding of our values and what brings us harmony and bliss, and the concepts of beauty and balance and justice. It rules our relationships and how we value things, how we relate to others, and how we form partnerships and relationships. It also describes how we love and show that love. So really it's the energy of unconditional love and how we turn up in those relationships around us, how we treat others, and how we allow others to treat us, and how we value ourselves and others. Saturn is the planet of structure and boundaries. It is the energy of karma and the lessons we have learned. It represents the taskmaster and getting things done. It also symbolizes our limits and what restricts us and the hurdles that we encounter. It's the routines, structures, and disciplines that we build with foundational growth, and the way that we enact our plans and goals, how we take responsibility and turn up for our actions. And it's the effort that we put into things. It's our ability to learn from the lessons of our past, to learn from others, and it is about karmic cycles. It's where we learn things the hard way, where we become the masters of our lives, and how we discipline and rule ourselves with the routines and structures that we build. Conjunctions are when planetary bodies come into alignment with each other, so they stand in a direct line viewed from here on Earth. So we have Venus in alignment with Saturn, bringing together these energies of love and acceptance and our boundaries and routines and relationships. Now, Pisces is the final sign of the zodiac. It is the mutable water sign. And it is all about going with the flow, bringing together those cycles, and bringing balance to things as we see all sides of the stories and ascending into the end of the cycle. So this conjunction in this watery sign of Pisces between Venus and Saturn is really going to be asking us where those boundaries are in our cycles of love. Are we able to turn up in loving ways? Are we able to stand up for ourselves, to learn from our emotional triggers, to learn from the ways that we communicate with others? And are these things beneficial for our foundational growth, for our core energy? Really allowing us to align our actions with our love, and to bring together these energies of acceptance, accepting that maybe our routines need to change, maybe we need to be more disciplined, maybe we need to turn up better, maybe we need to communicate more freely, maybe we need to bring our emotional waters into this energy, as Saturn is a very rigid energy. Sometimes we can get stuck in those lessons of the past where we have been hurt and close ourselves off from others. So ask yourself today how you can align this center of love and acceptance your loving energy, the people you spend time with, how you spend time with yourself, how you care for yourself. Are these in alignment with your goals and plans? Are you allowing yourself to go with the flow, to stand up for yourself? A beautiful connection to allow us to change the way that we turn up in our energies of love and our relationships, and allowing us to bring more structure and discipline, allowing us to commit to the things that we love, commit to the actions that we need to take to benefit ourselves. A beautiful conjunction to help us to move into the flow of our lives.